Very good morning, students. See, in the previous class, we completed related to transverse mode of vibrations in a stretched string. In a stretched string, we finished about a mode of vibrations. In that mode of vibrations, first mode, second mode, third mode, like that. So, and also we know harmonics and overtone. See, fundamental frequency, once again I will repeat you because here also again we require fundamental frequency is nothing but the lowest frequency in the given a wave that we can call fundamental. Okay, and second harmonic, because it is our important. Harmonic is nothing but it is an integral multiple of fundamental frequencies. That's what you can say n, n1, n2, n3 and n3 and n4, so on. That is harmonic. Let us will move to the overtones. Overtones are nothing but so the higher than the fundamental frequencies. Okay, that's what I told you in the previous class. See, all overtones are harmonics, but all harmonics are not any overtones. Clear? So these are the clear information related to harmonics and overtones. Let us will go to the next one. See, the previous topic is related to the transverse mode of vibration. The transverse mode or transverse waves takes place in solids only. Now let us will move to the next topic, that is organ pipe. Sir, what is mean by organ pipe? Actually, it is a cylindrical vessel or it is a cylindrical pipe. So this pipe is actually, we have two types of pipes are there. One we can say closed pipe. See, organ pipe is nothing but it is a cylindrical pipe, and this is consist of one is a closed, one more is we can say open. Sir, what is open and what is closed? So the closed is nothing but one end is to be closed and other end is to be open. One end is closed and other end is we can say open. This we can call a closed pipe. And second, what about the open? Open in the sense is both the ends are open. Both the ends are open, which we can call as the open pipe. Cylindrical pipe, it is a organ pipe is nothing but it is a cylindrical pipe, right? And uniform cross section, and which air or gas is trapped. Suppose in this case, you take both the cases, closed or open. If a gas is trapped inside the closed or open, gas or air, therefore we know in air or in a gases, it is only possible longitudinals. So in this case, again we have to find, in case of a closed and open pipe, again we should get this all frequencies, or we can say harmonics and overtones. This question is related to again LAQ, right? This is also LAQ, open and closed organ pipe. Then find the ratio of frequencies. So that in this case, what will happen, sir? Here it is, you remember, here only possible longitudinals, because when air or a gas is trapped, therefore there may be the waves is overlaps. Because of overlapping, therefore it forms frequencies, like harmonics, like overtones will get. So we'll see. I'll tell you one thing. In case of a closed pipe, you remember here there is a reflected, actually the wave is reflected when wave is set into the closed pipe. See, you remember it is a closed end, no? When wave or it is air is trapped, therefore the wave which maybe goes and it is like sound is produced. Sound is a longitudinal wave. When sound is produced, therefore the wave is reaches to the one end and it is reflected as to the other end. See, at the end, at the closed end is always, you remember, it forms a node. This is the very, very important. Closed is always forms a node. And here at a closed end is, see that we can say displacement is minimum. This is the displacement is minimum. Whereas at a closed end is pressure is maximum. This is the very, very important. Pressure will be the maximum. We can call at a closed end is pressure antinode, because antinode in the sense is maximum, no? But in this situation, the pressure is maximum at a closed end. So that we can say pressure antinode we can call, because it is at this point is pressure is maximum. And you remember, in case of a closed one mode, see, one mode is nothing but it must be consist of one node and one antinode is equal to, we can call as a one mode it is. We can call one mode. It is very, very important, or we can call one loop. Clear? See, in case of a closed, when air or a gas is trapped into the closed pipe, therefore that wave is reaches to the closed end, and the wave is reflected like this. The reflected is in opposite phase. That's what. If a crust is it is incident and it is reflected as the trough. That's what here phase difference will be. We'll get it is a pi. The difference is we can call the pi, because it is in opposite phase will get. So that we can call there is a reflected incident wave is with a phase difference is pi. And here in case of a closed, that's what you remember everyone, it is a very, very important in case of a closed pipe. See, one mode in the sense is it must be consist of one node and one antinode. This we can call as a one mode or a one loop. And coming to the point, see, in case of a closed, see, at a closed end a node will form, and at an open end is antinode is formed, because antinodes are always forms in open areas and node is always forms a closed areas. So here node in the sense is at a closed end displacement is 0, that you said displacement is 0. Okay, why is the displacement is 0? And at this place is pressure is maximum, that we can call antinode. And coming to at this place at an open area, actually displacement is maximum will be displacement, and the pressure will be minimum here. Pressure inside is minimum. This is the point which is very, very important. And coming to the next one, we'll move to the next one, open. So the open areas. So the open is nothing but two areas are open. So when air is trapped into the open pipe or gas is trapped, therefore the wave will go and it is comes outside or other end. So you remember at open areas, just now I told you pressure minimum, no? So inside it is pressure is minimum. Here outside air pressure is maximum. Because of that pressure maximum, that air will come to the open areas and immediately the wave is reflected into the same argon pipe. So this will be happens like this. Once again I'll explain you. Actually open areas always forms an antinode. Antinode will get open areas is always get antinode. And when air or gas is trapped into the open pipe, then the wave will go like this. Look at it goes like this. When reaches here, when other end is reaches, therefore what happens here you remember pressure is minimum because displacement is maximum. Here also pressure is minimum. But here displacement is maximum, so that here pressure inside the tube is minimum, but outside air pressure is maximum, so that this air will come to the open areas. Then that air is pushes the wave into the same open pipe. Therefore the wave is reflected like this. That's what it is. It is a very, very important. Sir, how the wave will be reflected into the same? Because open area, no, the open, in case of a open area, open areas or open pipe, the pressure inside is minimum and outside air pressure is maximum. Therefore the air will rush towards a open area. Then air is pushes the wave into the same, because pressure air is more, air pressure is more because it is outside. Due to that, the wave will be reflected into the same. Now the wave, one we can say incident wave and one more we can say reflected wave. So here you remember, sir, is it wave will come exactly at the end? No. Little also it comes out like this. Yes, here also it comes like this, little outside. Here also same. Open areas, the wave will come little outside. This we can call end correction, because it is not exactly at the end it is reflected. Somewhat the wave is come out. some place or some length it is come out. So this we can call end correction E. Here also we can call end correction E. We'll see that end correction and all in the next class or in the next that's what. So length of the tube is equal to we can call L here. Here also we can call length of the tube is L. And in case of a open pipe, here see for one mode we can call for one mode it must be consist of one mode will be two antinodes and here one node, because here one node is there, no, this is the node. So this we can call as it is one mode in the sense. Here also look at one mode must be it is consist of a one antinode and one node. This is we can call one mode or a one loop. One mode or a one loop. This is the difference in closed and open pipes. Closed and open pipe. And you remember here also the wave is reflected into the same. That is we can say when in case of a longitudinal wave it is possible rarefactions and compressions, right? Rarefactions and compressions, because open longitudinal waves is consist of a compressions and rarefaction. So that in this case will be like this. Okay, now we have to find a mode of vibrations in case of a longitudinal waves. That's what you remember, it is a very important. One we can say closed, one we can say open. Closed and open pipe. Now we have to get the frequencies, the ratio of frequencies in case of a closed pipe, in case of a open pipe. This is for LAQ question, 8 marks question, very easy. The question is a very easy, very simple question it is. Okay, you remember this is the comparison between the open and the closed pipes, right? These are the very important, right? And here open areas it is not possible node. Open areas are not possible node. Open areas are always possible only antinodes. So this is you go through the diagrams and it is very important, because now we have to prove the standing wave in a closed pipe, and one more is open pipe. The ratio of frequencies in case of a closed and open pipes. Okay, is it okay now? Yeah, let us we'll go with like this. Let us, I want to say about a first one, that is the standing wave in a closed pipe. It is LAQ question. Standing wave. Standing wave in closed pipe. Okay, closed is, that is the ratio we have to find. The ratio of frequencies in case of a closed and in case of a open pipe. Let us, first of all you take a one closed pipe, right? Now we are finding first one is first mode. So you say first mode it is, or we can say one loop, or we can say fundamental, or we can say harmonic, first harmonic. Okay, we'll see. So that here one mode is nothing but in case of a closed pipe, just now we discussed about this. First mode is consist of one node and one antinode. You take like this, the wave is comes and it is reflected like this. Okay, the wave incidented at a point and it is reflected. At this point is a node we can say, and this point is antinode, and it is the length will be L, and generally the wave will come outside like this. It is we can call as end correction. We'll see in the next classes. So here we should get a fundamental, because it is a fundamental frequency or first harmonic. For this purpose, actually we can say distance between the node and antinode is equal to L is equal to lambda by 4. So lambda is equal to 4L. Very simple derivation it is. Very simple LAQ question, and it is very simple derivation. And we know V is equal to N lambda, right? So here N is equal to V by, it is lambda. What is lambda? This is V by 4L, which we can call as the fundamental frequency, or we can also call first harmonic. Very simple, it is over. It is the first mode. You go for the second mode like this. You take a second mode. Here look at second mode. Is it possible or not? We have to check. See, one mode is nothing but that must consist of node and antinode. So now we are moving to second mode. Sir, whether second mode is possible or not, that we have to check. Let us, you take a, right, it is a closed pipe. See, we can say it is a one mode, clear, node and antinode it is. Okay, node and antinode. And you go for the second mode. Here it is, we are saying second mode, right? It is a node and antinode. Is it possible node at open areas? Not possible. So will not get the second mode it is. That's what it is, the very important. So it is not possible. Here it is the third mode is possible, because open is always is possible antinode only. Look at. Okay, this is the node and it is an antinode. Look at open. So that in this case we may get only third mode, or we can say next harmonic. That we can also call next harmonic in the sense is second harmonic. Yes, we can say. So here the length, here also you remember little will come out like this, so that the distance between this node and antinode is lambda by 4. Here also lambda by 4 and here also lambda by 4. So that the total length will be L. So L is equal to lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus. Therefore L is equal to, it is nothing but a 3 lambda by 4. 3 lambda by 4. From here lambda is equal to 4L by 3. 4L by 3, and here we should get next harmonic, no? Therefore V is equal to N lambda. You say third also no problem, or you say 2 also no problem. Okay, this is the second harmonic. N2 is equal to V by lambda it is. Then what is V here? Lambda is N2 is equal to V by 4L by 3. Therefore N2 is equal to 3 of V by 4L. Look at V by 4L is nothing but a fundamental. Here you write N2 is equal to 3 into N. This is, we can call second harmonic, or we can say first overtone. Clear? Or like it is the third mode is finished, and you check, is it possible to get a fourth? Once you look at your fourth mode, we'll see the fourth whether it is possible or not. Look at, you take a pipe again. Yes. So this is one mode, right? Node and antinode. This is the second mode, and you take a third mode. Yes, third mode will be like this. Third mode, and again fourth mode. Yeah. You tell me, is it possible a fourth mode? Impossible. Because open areas node is not possible. That's what you take another mode is, that we can say fifth mode, like this. So again you take, here it is not possible, you say fifth mode of vibration, right? It is lambda by 4, node and antinode, node, antinode. It is also lambda by 4, lambda by 4, and it is also lambda by 4 and lambda by 4, because always open areas only possible is antinode. So you say total length will be small l. So that L is equal to 5 lambda by 4, directly lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. This becomes what happens, 5 lambda by 4. So that from here lambda is equal to, it is 4L by 5. So again you take V is equal to N3 lambda, then N3 is equal to V by lambda, therefore V by 4L by 5. Then N3 is equal to 5 of V by 4L. Look at V by 4L is nothing but a fundamental. So that N3 is equal to, it is 5L. Once look at the conclusion. Actually first one is 1 into V by 4L, fundamental it is. Third mode is, it is only 3 into N, and fifth mode is 5 into N, and the next is possible seventh mode, because sixth again it is not possible, and the next mode is ninth mode. It's nothing but a what? The ratio of this, that is N is to, N2 is to, N3 is to, N4 is to, N5 is to, and so on, that is equal to 1 is to, 3 is to, and 5 is to, 7 is to, and so on. This is the conclusion related to the ratio of frequencies, that we can say therefore n is to, n1 is to, n2 is to, and so on is equal to 1 is to, 3 is to, 5 is to, 7 is to, and so on. This is the ratio of frequencies and overtones. Clear? This is for LAQ question. Very simple. Okay. You read today only and you finish it, because it is LAQ question. 2020, March 2020 this question was given. That's what you read today only. Okay. This is the, in case of a standing waves in a closed pipe. Standing waves in a closed pipe. Okay. Now we will move to the same, but it is you take as a open. You take now open pipe. So same again, first mode or fundamental. Sir, what will happen in the fundamental or first mode? Let us will see. In this case, in case of a open, all are possible. I'll show you, because in only closed only it is odd numbers are possible, but in case of open pipe, all modes are possible. All modes. I'll show you. The first mode you take, that is standing waves in an open pipe. You take a one open area. This is the open. So the wave will come like this. So it is an antinode, and it is an antinode and node. I told you very clear. First mode, it is consist of a two antinodes and one node. So that length L is equal to lambda by 2. From here, lambda is equal to 2L. And here V is equal to n lambda. So n is equal to V by lambda. Therefore V by 2L it is. So this is we can call fundamental or first harmonic, or we can call fundamental frequency. Clear? And you go for a second, like that only. Second mode, yes, it is also possible. Second mode or second harmonic or first overtone. Second harmonic, or we can call first overtone. That is, to take like a 2, it is a 1, clear, and you take this is the 2. Look at till here 1 lambda by 2, and this is remain is lambda by 2. So L is equal to 2 lambda by 2. Therefore lambda is equal to 2L by 2. Don't cancel, because for the simplification is very easy. V is equal to n2 lambda, then n2 is equal to, sorry, n1 no, it is n1, because n only fundamental, V by lambda. Therefore V by 2L by 2. So n1 is equal to 2 of V by 2L. Again look at V by 2L is nothing but a fundamental. Therefore n1 is equal to, that is 2 into n. And you go for the third one, that is it's a third mode. Third mode. See here it is, we can also call overtone, right? First overtone it is. Third mode also possible. Look at, this is the one mode, clear, and it is the second mode, yes, and you go for the third mode like this. See, you take first mode, it is lambda by 2, second mode you take lambda by 2, third is lambda by 2. So L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. From here lambda is equal to 2L by 3. Then V is equal to, it is n2 lambda, then therefore V by n2, then V by 2L by 3, so that 3 of V by 2L. Again it is n2 is equal to 3n. This is we can call second overtone, right? And therefore the ratio will be n is to, n1 is to, n2 is to, so on is equal to 1 is to, 2 is to, 3 is to, 4 is to, so on. This is the conclusion in case of a open pipe. Open pipe. Once look at open pipe. So the open pipe will be like this. Is it okay? So the open pipe, fundamental, or we can say harmonic, second mode or second harmonic, or we can call first overtone. Otherwise you write here first overtone or second harmonic. Okay, and here this is second overtone or we can say third harmonic. In this case, in open, see, all modes are possible, whereas in case of a closed, it is only possible odd numbers are possible. And here also you remember, this is also very important at the end, right? So the wave will come like this. Here also you take, because this is we can call as a end correction, here also you take some wave will come like this. Okay, here also you take like this, the wave will come little outside. Because of air, it is reflected back. Because of air pressure, the wave is reflected into the same. These are the open and closed pipe which are related to LAQs and 8 marks. These two questions are related to 8 marks. Very simple. Stationary wave also very simple LAQ. This is also very simple LAQ. The derivation is very easy. Once today only you read and finish it, it is very important, right? And in this chapter again we have other 2 LAQs, because this chapter is contains a 5 LAQs. No, out of 5 we finished 3 LAQs. One is the stationary wave in a stretcher string, and second is open and closed pipe. Open is different and closed is different. So on this basis, let us we have the problems also, and we'll discuss in the next class that problems related to open and closed pipe. Okay, thank you very much. So we'll continue in the next class.